Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 22nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So as expected, the euro dollar did drift down, just like I was saying in this morning's video. Now looking at correlated pairs this afternoon, I was actually thinking that this right here was actually the ABC of 4, and this little lower high right here may be a wave 5. A few of these other dollar pairs definitely look like this section right here could be the wave 5. If that's true, that means this first move down is just a wave A, and that the next break of structure, when it does happen, will probably be a crutch into this move down, wave B, and then we'll probably get another push down wave C. So if it does break structure, it may be worth going long just to learn whether it really is a wave B or whether it really is continuing the uptrend. But at this point, especially looking at other dollar pairs, it seems more likely to me that it's more this is only a wave A and that we're gonna make a wave B and a wave C before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live analysis and trading sessions. This is where I go over every single pair on this list over here from top to bottom. Also, you get access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.